My name's Basha. I'm a pyro artist burning since 2010, and I'm on a mission to share everything I know and show you everything I own when it comes to pyrography. Learn to Burn, a step-by-step guide to getting started in pyrography by Simon Easton. This is a great book for beginners who are curious about the art of wood burning. Simon has some great quality photos with a lot of details, making it easy to follow along. I love the quality. He has 14 projects with step-by-step instructions on completing each project. He's got an intro to getting started with pyrography and basic tips and tricks of your machine, how to hold your pen, general safety, all the tips and how to use them. My favorite part of the book is the exercises. If you are a person who is nervous to start a new medium and jump into exploring, these exercises are fantastic to follow. The projects are very detailed. They are clear and easy to read with every single step that goes beyond pyrography, like how to transfer your designs and whatnot. He offers a patterns and gallery at the end of the book with more designs for inspiration, more completed projects, and then, of course, the actual templates that he uses to complete the projects in the book. So you can complete all the projects on your own.